Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week I get one of these Sangheili Mercenaries painted up. Since they are all the same on the cards, I'm kind of not going to be following the cards as that would just be boring. Each of my elites are actually going to have a different colour armour like they do in the games. I'm getting started with the blue one, and to start off I black and white Zenithally primed him, and the first colour is Death Reaper for the undersuit and the base rim. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Bringing up the undersuit now, I went around with Dungeon Stone Grey for all of the distinct panels and the raised parts, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses and shadows. For the armour, I start off with an all-over base coat of Abyss Blue, which takes a while, but I think this is the faster order to do things, as last time when I'd done Chief, I'd done the undersuit after I'd done the armour, and it took far longer, I think. Starting to add some highlights onto the armour, I grabbed the Witching Hour Blue and went around all of the panels, leaving the recesses in the darker tone. Getting the upper parts of the armor done now, I went with the Leviathan blue. This goes over all of the armor that's getting hit by the light. To base coat the plasma rifle, I went with a once over of royal purple. While I wait for the royal purple to dry, I add some muddy ground texture paste to the base. I'm adding this now so that it can be dry before I can move on to painting the base. Pushing up the parts on the plasma rifle not in shadow, I went over them with Hexed Lichen. The upper highlight on the rifle now gets done with Amulet purple. Adding a little extra highlight to the undersuit and the metal parts on the rifle, I went with English Grey. Now that the base has dried, I gave it a once over with Scabbard brown. I also used this for the visor, which I actually thought was the face originally, hence why I'm painting it brown. To finish off the base and the visor, I added a quick highlight with Manticore Ochre. Blending the base colors together, I gave it a quick wash with Archaic Sepia Wash. And that was it for the Sangheili Mercenary. The base was a little bit bland, so I added a couple of tufts just to finish it off. I like how the blue armor came out. I'm a little torn though. Part of me wants to leave it how it is as I like it, but I also want to add some gloss varnish as elites are normally quite shiny. I don't varnish my board game minis until I finish the entire box though, so I have some time to decide what I want to do. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. For those of you who want to pick up Halo Flashpoint or just some painting supplies, there is an affiliate link in the description below. There is no additional charge to yourselves, but I get a small commission just to help fund my paint addiction. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.